Welcome to 1 Minute with Juanpa. Today I'm inviting you to be free. Let go of any limitations, of any constrictions you have received in your life. Teachers, parents, lovers, friends, whatever way they have limited you, see how limiting your mind is and go beyond. See yourself, how you are acting because a friend told you this is good, because your father told you this is the best, you have to do this and you can't do that, because your mother said you can never do this. Who cares? Feel from your heart what feels right for you. That is freedom. Connect from your heart, because we are all different. We are not made with the same mold. You are not another brick in the wall. You are beautiful and unique. So let that come and flourish through you. Love you.